Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, Assalam U Alikum. Welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make fatoush. It's a very famous Middle Eastern salad, especially summertime. Every restaurant you visit in Middle East or anywhere around the world also, you will find in the menu fatoush salad. It's very refreshing salad. So I'm planning to make it today. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. For the fatoush, first I'm gonna make some bread croton. So you can use any, I'm using a naan bread. You can use pita bread. Normally people use the pita bread. So I like the naan bread. It's very buttery and flavorful. So croton comes out nice and crisp and colorful. So I'm gonna make it croton first. So I'm gonna cut square shape. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit touch of olive oil, some salt, some black pepper, and also a little bit of paprika. I like a little bit of paprika also. We're gonna roll it, mix it nicely with the oil and everything. And then we're going to transfer it to baking tray and we're going to toast it until crisp. That's it. So now I'm making a yogurt tahini dressing. So it's basically a couple of teaspoons of tahini sauce, which is basically sesame seed paste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. It's optional. If you have it, you can make it. Otherwise it's not necessary for that. So some salt for this taste, black pepper, touch of lemon juice, and we're going to combine everything like a sauce. So now I'm making a dressing for fatoush. So I'm going to use 4 or 5 tablespoons of olive oil, nice olive oil. Half a lemon juice. We're going to squeeze lemon juice in there. Fresh lemon juice, tastes nice in the dressing. Salt to taste, black pepper, and main ingredient for fatoush is sumac powder. Adding a 1 tablespoon of sumac powder. I'm going to cover the lid of this glass jar, and then we're going to shake it to become emulsified, a little thicker. That's it, our dressing is ready. Now I'm going to prepare our fatoush. For the fatoush, I'm using romaine lettuce. So I'm cutting into half. I'm using a half of romaine. So it's nice and washed already. And then I'm going to cut the end. We're going to cut a little chunk of this. think I'm gonna cut the other half also. Look, tiny. Half an onion, also dice. Some cherry tomato. Cucumber. Some red and yellow pepper. You can use yellow, green, any peppers available. So I'm using a little bit of yellow and a little bit of red. It's already washed. I'm going to dice up that also. I add one more tomato. It's a Roma tomato. It's nice sweet tomato. So I'm gonna add that also. And some red radish. If it is in season, you can use that also. So I'm using, I found some. Mint. You must use mint for that. I'm going to chop it up a little bit. Some parsley, also chopped. Green onion. It's very fresh and summery salad. That's it. Looks colorful. Feel like summer now. So our crouton nicely crisp. You can see, you can hear also. It's nice and crisp. I'm gonna add some to the salad. I'm gonna add the dressing which is we made earlier. That's it. We're gonna mix it. So our fattoush nicely marinated, and I'm gonna do some presentation. Look amazing, tastes amazing also. So our yogurt tahini sauce, I forgot to add dill, so I'm adding some chopped dill also. It smells good, it tastes fresh. They give lots of flavor to the sauce. just a tiny bit of. So you can see they look nice. So I'm gonna do some presentation. I have a nice salad ball ready. I'm gonna put in the salad ball. Nice and colorful. I'm going to sprinkle some sumac. It basically add a little bit of pomegranate seed also. And our crouton. Very nice. Gonna add a little bit of mint leaf, maybe some dill, maybe a piece of parsley also. And I have one nice radish flower. Voila. And finally, I'm gonna drizzle some dressing also. That's it. Amazing. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It came out very nice, look amazing, tastes amazing. And please do try this recipe during summer time. It keeps you cool, keep you calm. It's a refreshing salad. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our videos, consider subscribe our channel. And I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.